Have you ever wondered how plants produce their own food? It might seem like magic, but it's actually a complex, fascinating process called photosynthesis. Today, we're going to delve into this process, breaking it down into simple, understandable steps. Photosynthesis, a term derived from the Greek words photo, meaning light, and synthesis, meaning combining, is a process that allows plants to convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy. This energy is then stored in the bonds of glucose, a type of sugar, which the plant uses as food. Imagine a factory that takes in raw materials and transforms them into a finished product. In a similar way, photosynthesis is a process that takes in sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, and transforms these ingredients into glucose and oxygen. The first stage of photosynthesis is known as the light-dependent reactions. This stage occurs in the thylakoids, which are small discs stacked in columns inside the chloroplasts. When sunlight hits the plant, it's absorbed by a pigment called chlorophyll. This energy splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere, a byproduct we humans gratefully breathe in. The second stage of photosynthesis is the light-independent reactions, often referred to as the Calvin cycle. This cycle uses the energy transported from the light-dependent reactions to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. The glucose is then used by the plant to grow, to repair damage, and to reproduce. In a nutshell, photosynthesis is the process that allows plants to harness sunlight and use it to convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. The glucose provides nourishment for the plant, while the oxygen is released into the atmosphere for us to breathe. So the next time you see a lush green plant, remember the complex process of photosynthesis that's happening within its cells. It's not just a plant, but a mini factory, working tirelessly to convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into the food it needs to grow and the oxygen we need to live. Now, isn't that truly fascinating?